Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff here with another Kinemaster tutorial. If you haven't seen my previous one, uh, go ahead and check it out. It's just explaining the basics of how to use Kinemaster. So today I'm going to be going over the text options and different tips and tricks you can do with that. So let's get started. So as you can see down here, I have some text lined up and I have them on some canvases basically. And well, you can't really see the text, so let's go ahead and change that. So to change the color, we will come down here to text, press the white square or whatever, press the square in the corner, and then you can change the color. Now let's do the same for the other side. Alright, cool. Now we have the color just changed. So that's how you change the color with text. Let's go over a few more options. So down here, there is this feature called outline. Now this feature is really cool because let's say you have you wanted to have a cool effect. You will press outline, change the color, and boom, now you've got some more flair to your text here. Another thing you could do with this is completely make the text outlined, and the way you would do that is you would change the outline to the original color, and then you could change this to white, and boom, now you have a completely outlined text. And you can do the same for the other one. Change the color to black, come to outline, and make this white. And now you have some cool effects. Something else cool you could do with this is make it kind of neon. So the way we would do that is we would change the outline to let's go with a light blue. And then we would come down here to glow. And what glow does is gives it kind of a vibrant look. Here we have two options for glow. We have spread, and this is basically how thick you want the glow to be. And then you have size, and this is how wide you want the glow to be. So we're just going to keep it around there. Make it light blue. Alright, that's cool, but it still feels like there's more that we could do with it. So let's go to here, the shadow. Now, shadow, as is explained, is just a shadow. Now, we can change the color of the shadow also. And with these settings, there are a bit more. You can scroll down if you want. So we have distance, and this is how far you want the shadow to be from your text. We have angle. This is where you want the shadow to be showing, like where you want the light to be for the shadow to change. We have spread, which is how much of it we want, and that kind of makes the text 3D almost. And then we have size. This is how much of shadow you want. Alright, it was cool, but it still feels like there's more that we can do with this. So let's come over to the fonts. And the way that you would get there is to press this little A button up here. And now we have all of the fonts here. These are the fonts that come with Android because obviously I am using an Android phone. Latin also comes with this. Serif is one I downloaded because I personally like using this font. And then also display. So let's choose this one. This looks interesting. Alright, so now we have a cool little graphic design here. Now we're gonna work with this one here. Alright, so I've loaded in some music here, and this is what it sounds like.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's really cool. Anyway, so this is what you can do with text as far as animating goes. So this is a little trick that I've done, and you can try it too if you want. So we're gonna make this basically an intro, but only using text. So I've already shown you how to get here. Now let's show you how to make it cool. So first things first, with the animations, you can also sync it to the beat. So the way we would do that is we would come, play the music,
Perfect.
and right when the beat hits, we're gonna split at playhead. Oops, sorry. And then we're gonna come to end animation and press pop. Sorry, just wanted to interject here, but with each animation you have the option to adjust the speed it comes in, which is why I put it at the very end, because it'll pop immediately. Alright, now back to the video. Now, let's check it out.
Perfect.
Alright, so you saw it popped as soon as the beat dropped. So now I'm gonna just do the same thing, listen for the beat, and every time it comes up, I'm gonna split it at the playhead. Now, I'm just gonna stop. I know I kind of sped it up a little bit, but I'm gonna stop here and say that if you need to, you can go farther than the cut, because you can only cut up to a certain point, as small as possible. So what I would do is, like this beat here, what I did was I trimmed it farther and then I shrank it by dragging the slider, and then I came back and brought the other slider over. Alright, back to the speed montage. Alright, so I'm just about finished. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new, subscribe for more Kinemaster tutorials and vlogs. I also make vlogs if you're watching this just for the tutorials. And yeah, thanks for watching, and enjoy the intro I made.
Perfect.